Hi guys, once again a very warm welcome to my channel B Town Homes. Today I am going to show you a very premium property in one of the most demanding suburbs in Mumbai called Vile Parle. To be precise, Vile Parle East. I will tell you why I said most demanding. First point is connectivity. It is from any corner of Vile Parle East, the domestic airport and international airport, both are not more than 1 kilometer. It must be less than 1 kilometer. At the same time, Western Express Highway and SV Road, which are the two main highways which connect the east side and west side of the suburb, both are again not more than 1 kilometer. Second very important point is education. In Vile Parle East and West, in total if you consider, there are not less than 20 very highly equipped state of the art schools, colleges and universities. Very high profile I am talking about. Third point if you consider, that is healthcare system. Again, not less than 10 state of the art hospitals like Dhirubhai Ambani, Nanavati, Forcare, Criticare, so many I can say. Fourth very important point is, in Vile Parle market you will get very fresh fruits and vegetables. It is famous for that. In whole Mumbai, it is very famous. At the same time, there are n number of restaurants. Again, A-grade restaurants. I am not talking about roadside restaurants. All A-grade restaurants of different cuisines you will get in Vile Parle. And the last but not the least is, it is culturally, I would say, the most richest area in Mumbai. So, don't you think it is interesting? Yes. Let us go to see the video now. See the flat also, and then I will give you the details of the flat. This is the entrance lobby of the building. Very nicely decorated. Flooring tiles, even see the texture of the walls. There is a couch for guests. We are moving towards the lift now. The flat is on the 4th floor. It's 11 number flat. This is the main door of the flat. It opens in the direction of west. Wow, how spacious living room. Can you see? Very nice. There is a space here to keep your shoe rack also. This is a attached balcony to the living room. Now see the magic once you open the door. Can you hear the birds chirping sound? This is a very unique and rare experience in Mumbai, guys. But this place is so calm and quiet that you get this experience every morning here. This is a dining area. A small table is kept over there, but you can easily accommodate a bigger dining table here. Now we are entering into the kitchen. As you can see, on both sides of the length of kitchen there is a platform, and below that kitchen cabinets are made. Tiles are up to the bottom of the beam, and there is a gas connection also. Pipe gas is there, so you need not have to worry about the gas. Quite good size kitchen. As on how we will progress this video, you can see that the sizes of all rooms are quite comfortable. Now we are entering into a first bedroom, that is a master bedroom. See the size of the bedroom. You can easily accommodate a king size bed in this bedroom with your wardrobe. This is an attached toilet. Even see the interior of the toilet. Counter wash basin. It's a duct outside. Now we are moving towards second bedroom, that is bedroom number 2. It's a guest bedroom. See how spacious this bedroom also. Here also you can easily accommodate a king size bed. The speciality of this flat is each and every room is very spacious and comfortable. This is a common toilet. I'm so sorry, there is no light inside the toilet. See the interior of the toilet. It is different from the first one. So each and every toilet is different from other. Very nicely done up. Good size toilets. Counter wash basin. This is a countertop wash basin. Now we are entering into the main master bedroom, which is the third bedroom. This is the biggest bedroom. See the size of the bedroom. Isn't it spacious? This is a third toilet which is attached to the third bedroom, that is a master bedroom. Again countertop wash basin, a different interior of this toilet also. Shower area is separated from the WC and wash basin. Dry area. So guys, how do you like the flat? Isn't it good? Okay, then let me tell you the details of the flat. The area of the flat is 1235 carpet. It is on the 4th floor with 2 stilt car parkings. There is a pipe gas inside the flat. The opening is west facing. Very spacious flat. I would say, and the rate which a seller is quoting is 4.85 crores in Indian rupees. So guys, if you are interested, you can contact Mr. Jitendra Joshi. His contact numbers and all contact details are given in the description below. Bye, take care.